Okay, before we do today's worksheet, I want to show you on the board how we listen and circle the letter that we hear in a picture. Okay, so this picture we see is a nut. It's a walnut. So underneath the picture, they give you two choices. And so we're going to say the word nut, and we're going to decide if we think it's got a U sound in it or an I sound in it. And I like to stretch words out when I'm listening so that I can really hear what's inside of that word. So we're going to say the word nut, but we're going to spread it out, okay? And we're listening to hear if we hear the U sound or the I sound, okay? Nut, nut. Do you hear or I in nut? Did you say the U sound? That's correct. You hear in nut. Okay, so that's how we're doing the whole worksheet. I will hold it up. I'm not going to give you the answers. I want you to really listen. So turn on your listening ears, and Mrs. Nelson will say each picture, and you choose which letter underneath you hear, and then circle the correct one. If I start going too fast, just pause me and then get caught up, okay? All right, here we go. Well, let me just show you. So make sure you have this worksheet. You've already done the front. This is the back side. This is lesson 9 of our letters and sounds worksheet. Looks like this. Okay, here we go. The first picture you see is a fish, and I'll spread that word out. Fish. Circle the vowel that you hear inside of fish. Next, I see a hill. Hill. Circle the vowel that you hear inside of hill. Next, we see a bug. A bug. Circle the vowel that you hear inside of bug. Okay, let's go to the next row. This is a baseball mitt. So we're going to say mitt. Mitt. Circle the vowel that you hear inside of mitt. In the middle right here, we have milk. Milk. Circle the vowel you hear inside of milk. And the last one in this row is a belt. 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 Circle the vowel that you hear inside of belt. Okay, now we're on the bottom row. This is a cup. 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 Circle the vowel you hear inside of cup. Next we have a spider's web. So we'll say web. Ready? Web. Web. Circle the vowel you hear inside of web. And the last thing I see is a pin. 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 Circle the vowel you hear inside of pin. All right, great listening and great circling.